Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Thursday, December 12th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. Wow, we had a really bad windstorm and rainstorm last night. It was crazy, but we survived it, and everything is good. The snow is all gone, and it's 43 degrees out right now. So it's really weird weather, but it's a great day. So I wanted to hop on here and talk to you about 2 direct mail postcard opportunities that I think are the best for going into 2025. Okay, one of them has been around since 2003, and the other one has been around for a handful of years as well. And I just love these opportunities. They're super easy to do, and you can have success without having to be a marketing guru or having a list of 100,000 people. If you can mail out simple postcards, right? We have 2 postcards here. If you can mail these out, you can make these opportunities work. It's as simple as that. The key is to stay consistent with your mailings. And if you do videos like I do or share it online, stay consistent. Consistency is the name of the game. If you want to win in this industry or anything in life, you have to stay consistent. All right? But I strongly believe that American Bill Money, like I mentioned, has been around since 2003, has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, 0 complaints. You can get in touch with the owner, Paul. And then Cash Building System Unlimited, which has been around for years now. And the same thing, you can get in touch with the owner, Jay, if you have any questions. These are legit money-making opportunities. All right, we deal in lead generation, so when you join these opportunities, you're gonna get leads that you can use for any business that you're in. You can share them as many times, opportunities with them as many times as you want to. You can even resell these leads. Okay, so I've been doing this for 18 plus years now, full time. Since 2018 I've been working for myself. And in all this time, I've never seen anything easier than direct mail marketing and mailing out postcards. All right, the leads that you get are people who have opted in so they're agreeing to receive ways to make money from home. They're looking for ways to supplement and/or replace their income. So you're mailing these postcards to people who are looking for money-making opportunities. And again, you don't have to be, you can be in any business opportunity. You can be an affiliate marketer. Any product or service that you're offering, you can mail to these leads. Okay? Again, there's 2 postcards. And when you join me, you're going to see everything that I do if you watch my YouTube videos. But these are 2 simple postcards. All right? And what I do is I have a domain name, joinruss.com. Right here. You can go to this and you can see these opportunities, get more information about them. But if you're looking for a way to supplement or replace your income, if you're looking to start a business that's simple to do, that you can do while working a full-time job, check this out, because these are amazing opportunities. All right, you can do this, depending on what you want to get out of it, you can do this in just a few minutes a day, to be honest with you. You don't need to be, it's not like you're building a big MLM company or something like that, where you're growing these huge teams and you have to be on conference calls every day and, 3-hour phone calls with your upline and all that stuff. You don't have to do that. Now it's snowing out. It's crazy. You don't have to do that. This is something that, Tina and I will send out 100 letters. I do letters now. And again, if you go and watch my YouTube videos, you can see what I put in them. But I do a personalized letter, and then I do the Cash Building System postcard, and I do the American Bill Money postcard. I put in a drop card for Nexus Rewards. That's my global opportunity. And then I just put in one of my Join Russ business cards. And I get really good conversions doing that. Okay? But you can just mail out the postcards if you're just starting out. You know, keep it simple. And if you stay consistent with it, at some point you're going to have success. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money because most people who join these opportunities never take any action. But I can guarantee you that if you take action, stay consistent, that you can change your life with these opportunities. There's no doubt about it. Okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. These are awesome direct mail postcard opportunities that I'm going to stick with going into 2025. They've stood the test of time. They've been around for a while. You can get in touch with the owners. There's no worries about rug pulls or compensation plan changes or anything like that. It's very straightforward. You're basically buying and selling leads that anybody in this industry needs. Okay? So again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I want you to be successful. When you join my team, you're going to get my contact information. You're going to get a resource page with over 80 different places that you can advertise these opportunities online. And I'll be here to help guide you and answer any questions you have. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.